Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to chain the sky and add an object in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open Layer panel and select the layer. Go to the Edit and choose Sky Replacement. Wait for a few seconds to apply the process. Okay, it's done. Now click here to see all the skies. And you can change to anyone you want. Now I select this one. Click OK. Close the group. Select the group and press Ctrl-Shift-E to duplicate all visible layers. And go to the second image. Now click and drag it to the first image. Then release here. Press Ctrl-T to scale the size and adjust the position. Press Enter to done. Select the layer and add a layer mask. Then select the brush and make sure the color is black. Now brush here to delete it on another photo. Select these two layers by holding Shift. Go to the Edit and click the Auto Blend Layers. Click the Stack Images, then click OK. Okay, it's done. Now select these three layers, and drag to group them. Now this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.